It's Lisa Ward here, the founder and CEO of Plumb Financial. How are you doing? Really? How are you feeling? With all of the local news, national news, and global news, how do we feel and acknowledge said feelings? But how does that affect our approach to our investment portfolio? It's a great time before the chaos of the holidays to really reset. What was the purpose and our goal for this year? And I see it time and time again, and it's in the investment proposal when I work with households. There's a chart that looks like this, and it's the emotional cycle of like the doom and gloom and how you respond with your investments. So say there's a bad news piece out there. Talking heads on TV, it's like doom and gloom, it's the end of the world, it's so bad. And we're doom scrolling. We're consuming so much and we can't just get off the hamster wheel. We're like, this is it. We're all gonna go. And typically, stereotypically, we want to sell. We see the stock market's down. There's lots of bad bites out there, sound bites, and like, well, it's obviously just going to get worse, so I might as well just sell and go to cash and make sure I at least have something. And then, okay, we wait on the sidelines. Things are getting a little bit better. Time goes by. Market goes back up. Okay, now I'm more comfortable. Now let's get back in. Well, now it's more expensive. And most likely you lost out on being in the market when it was down and then missing the upswing correctly, trying to time it correctly. For some reason, we don't understand the garage sale concept when it comes to our investment portfolio. We all understand. Buy something at a garage sale, maybe a piece of furniture, go home, refinish it, zhuzh it, and then sell it for a profit. Buy low, sell high. But the talking heads on the TV said that, this is it. This is the market crash. This is the time to get out, save all your money, go buy whatever. No, we try to, acknowledge the emotions, the way that whatever the news bite was, how it makes us feel. But then we need to remember, why did we set up that account to begin with? What is the purpose of that account? Say this is a young household and it's our retirement account. Okay? You're 32 years old. Are you retiring tomorrow? Are you retiring in a week? Are you retiring in 5 years? No. So, does the market dipping today, yesterday, tomorrow, really affect you? Probably not. If anything, the market's on garage sale pricing, so maybe we should put some more money in. This is not advice to do that, but that could be a scenario. Now, flip side of that, you could be in retirement and the market going down could affect you short term. That might be a little bit more stressful than, say, a young person. But if you had an advisor working with you, you have very different portfolios. A young person who's got 30 more years of working has a very different time horizon, purpose of the account, risk tolerance than someone in retirement living off of their assets, so taking an income. The timeline is now. Purpose of the account is to produce an income versus saving, accumulating assets. And my risk tolerance is potentially none. I don't want to expose my current year's income to any tweet, natural disaster, global issue. We don't want to expose ourselves to any kind of change. So we address how we feel with news bites, but we have to remember, going back to the basics, what is the purpose of the account? What is the timeline for that account? And what's my risk exposure? And working with a financial advisor like myself, that is what we do when we set up accounts and monitor ongoing. So as life changes, the portfolio changes. So moral of the story is remember why you set up an account to begin with. Acknowledge the feelings, but then maybe we shouldn't doom scroll and continue consuming all of that bad news. We can't continue to digest all of it. But turn the TV off, get off your phone, get off of YouTube, and just go do something else. Do something happy. Do something fun. But if you are concerned, you're like, Lisa, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my investments, please let me know. Let's schedule your blueprint call today. But if you're not working with anybody, work with somebody, whether it's myself or another advisor. Look forward to talking to you soon.